Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Wheel seal replacement. Your essential DIY guide for 2024. Is your vehicle in need of a wheel seal replacement? Wheel seals are crucial for your car's performance and safety. They protect the bearings from dirt, debris, and moisture, ensuring a smooth ride. Ignoring worn-out wheel seals can lead to severe damage and costly repairs. In this video, we'll cover why wheel seal replacement is essential, how to spot signs of wear, and the steps involved in the process. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just a car owner wanting to stay informed, this guide has you covered. Your vehicle's longevity and your safety depend on it. Let's get started on keeping your ride safe and efficient. What is a wheel seal? A wheel seal, often overlooked, is a vital component in your vehicle's structure. It's small but mighty, playing a key role in keeping your car running smoothly. Let's break down what it does, where it is located, and why it matters. Definition of a wheel seal. A wheel seal is a ring made of metal or rubber that prevents dirt, dust, water, or other contaminants from entering the wheel bearings. It also keeps essential lubricants inside, ensuring the bearings operate smoothly without friction. Without these seals, your wheel bearings would wear out quickly due to the elements and loss of lubrication. Location of wheel seals. So, where can you find these tiny protectors? They are strategically placed between the wheel hub and the axle. You won't see them directly unless you take apart the wheel assembly. They're neatly tucked away but doing some of the heaviest lifting in terms of protection. Role in preventing fluid leaks. Wheel seals are like the unsung heroes of your vehicle system, working behind the scenes to prevent leaks. They ensure that fluids, especially lubricants, stay where they should be. Any leakage could lead to malfunctioning bearings, increased friction, and ultimately, a breakdown. Protecting the bearings. Bearings are what make your wheels spin freely. Imagine trying to ride a bike with rusty, squeaky wheels. That's what your car would feel like without good bearings. The wheel seal keeps contaminants away from the bearings, prolonging their life and ensuring that every ride is smooth. Why you should care. Neglecting wheel seals can lead to a domino effect of problems. Bad seals can let in dirt and water, causing the bearings to degrade. This can lead to costly repairs and even unsafe driving conditions. So, while they might seem minor, wheel seals have a big role in keeping your vehicle safe and reliable. Understanding wheel seals helps you appreciate this tiny yet crucial part of your car's anatomy. It's easy to overlook, but now that you know its importance, you'll be more mindful of their condition. Signs of a worn or damaged wheel seal. It's crucial to keep an eye out for signs that your wheel seal is starting to fail. Catching these signs early can save you from more severe and costly repairs. Here are some of the most common indicators. Fluid leaks. One of the first signs you might notice is fluid leaking from the wheel area. This isn't just any fluid, so it's essential to know what to look for. Typically, the fluid leaking from a damaged wheel seal is axle grease or gear oil. Here's how to spot it. Visible puddles. Look for small puddles of dark, oily fluid under your vehicle. This could be a sign that the wheel seal is leaking. Fluid on tires. Sometimes, the fluid might splatter onto the inner part of the tire. If you see any, it's time to inspect further. Wet rotors or brake pads. If the seal is severely damaged, you might find that the brake rotors or pads are damp with oil or grease. If you're noticing any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to get your vehicle checked by a mechanic as soon as possible. Noise from wheel bearings. Another telltale sign of a failing wheel seal is noise coming from the wheel bearings. This noise can indicate that the bearing is not lubricated properly because of the leaking seal. Here are some sounds to listen for. Grinding noise. If you hear a grinding sound when driving, especially when turning, it could mean the wheel bearing isn't getting enough lubrication. Squealing. A high-pitched squealing noise can also indicate that the wheel bearing is suffering from a lack of grease due to a damaged seal. Growling or rumbling. Any unusual growling or rumbling sounds while driving straight or during turns should raise red flags. Pay attention to these noises and don't ignore them. They often indicate that the wheel seal has failed and is leaking lubrication, which can lead to more significant problems if not addressed. By keeping an ear out for strange noises and an eye out for fluid leaks, you can catch a worn or damaged wheel seal before it leads to bigger issues. Don't wait until it's too late. Stay proactive to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Tools and materials needed for replacement. Replacing a wheel seal requires several tools and materials. This ensures that the job is done safely and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, having the right gear is crucial. Let's go over everything you need. Essential tools. To start, you'll need some basic tools. These help remove the old seal and install the new one. Socket set. A comprehensive socket set is invaluable. It helps remove wheel nuts and various bolts. Torque wrench. This tool ensures that bolts are tightened to the correct specification. Seal puller. A special tool used to remove the old seal without damaging surrounding parts. Rubber mallet. Useful for gently tapping the new seal into place. Brake cleaner. Ensures that all parts are clean and free of grime before reassembly. Safety equipment. Safety should always be a top priority. Having the right safety gear protects you from accidents. Gloves. Keeps your hands safe from sharp edges and chemicals. Safety glasses. Protects your eyes from debris and chemicals. Jack stands. Essential for lifting and securing the vehicle. Work light. A well-lit work area is crucial for visibility and precision. Materials. Besides tools, you also need materials to complete the replacement. New wheel seal. This is the part you are replacing. Make sure it matches your vehicle's specifications. Grease. Lubricates the seal and surrounding parts to ensure smooth operation. Rags or paper towels. Useful for cleaning parts and hands. Gasket sealer. This helps create a tight seal if needed. Additional items. Sometimes, having a few extra items can make the job easier and more efficient. Wheel chocks. These prevent the vehicle from moving while you're working. Service manual. Provides specific instructions and torque settings for your vehicle. Trash bin. Helps maintain a clean work area by disposing of used rags and parts. Having these tools and materials ready will streamline the wheel seal replacement process, making it quicker and safer. Now, you're all set to move on to the next steps in replacing your wheel seal. Step-by-step guide to wheel seal replacement. Changing a wheel seal might seem like a job for a pro, but with some patience and the right tools, you can do it yourself. Let's walk through the steps to get it done right. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, you need to safely lift your vehicle and remove the wheel. Here's how. Park on a flat surface. Make sure your car is on level ground to prevent it from rolling. Engage the parking brake. Pull up the handbrake to keep your car from moving. Loosen the lug nuts slightly. Use a lug wrench to loosen, but not remove, the lug nuts on the wheel. That's a wrap for part 1 of our wheel seal replacement guide. We've covered the basics and what to look out for. Don't miss part 2, where we'll go through the replacement process step by step. Stay tuned. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.